Good Wednesday morning, everyone. It is Wonderful Wednesday, so see what the wonder is for today. Remember to give details, not just one sentence. This activity will be recorded in Plus Portal, so put forth effort into it. Be ready to share at 8:30. After science, we will dive into reading Jane Goodall, so be ready to take notes and be on time. In math, we will break into two groups. The 11:45 wrap-up Wednesday will be for those in my math group at 10:45. So those people that are in my math group, we will meet or continue our practice during the wrap-up Wednesday time. Let's make it a great Wednesday, and I'll see you at 8:30.